Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about top 10 most important cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. So, we go. What are cryptocurrencies to begin with? Before we take a closer look at some of this alternative to Bitcoin, let's step back and briefly examine what we mean by terms like cryptocurrency and altcoin. A cryptocurrency, broadly defined, is a virtual or digital money that takes the form of tokens or coins. While some cryptocurrencies have ventured into the physical world with credit cards or other projects, the larger majority remain entirely intangible. The crypto in cryptocurrencies refers to complicated cryptography that allows for the creation and processing of digital currencies and their transactions across decentralized systems. Alongside this important crypto feature of these currencies is a common commitment to decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are typically developed as code by teams who build in mechanism for issuance, often also not always, though a process called mining and other controls. Cryptocurrencies are almost always designed to be free from the government manipulation and control. Although, as they have grown more popular, this foundational aspect of the industry has come under fire. The cryptocurrencies modeled after Bitcoin are collectively called altcoins and in some cases shitcoins and have often tried to present themselves as modified or improved versions of Bitcoin. While some of these currencies may have some impressive features that Bitcoin does not, matching the level of security that Bitcoin's networks achieve largely has yet to be seen by an altcoin. Below we will examine some of the most important digital currencies other than Bitcoin. First, thought a caveat. It's impossible for a list like this to be entirely comprehensive. One reason for this is the fact that there are more than 7,000 cryptocurrencies in existence as of November 2021. While many of these cryptos have little to no following or trading volume, some enjoy immense popularity among dedicated communities of bakers and investors. Beyond that, the field of cryptocurrencies is always expanding, and the next great digital token may be released tomorrow. While Bitcoin is widely seen as a pioneer in the world of cryptocurrencies, analysts adopt many approaches for evaluating tokens other than Bitcoin. It's common, for instance, for analysts to attribute a great deal of importance to ranking coins relative to one another in terms of market capitalization. We have factored this into our consideration, but there are other reasons why a digital token may be included in the list as well. Ethereum, the first Bitcoin alternative on our list. Ethereum is a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts. Actually, we have spoken about this in our previous video, so uh, let's uh, let's remember something of it. So Ethereum, with the first Bitcoin alternative on our list, is Ethereum. It's a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications (DApps) to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. The goal behind Ethereum is to create a decentralized suite of financial products that anyone in the world can freely access, regardless of nationality, ethnicity, or faith. This aspect makes the implications for those in some countries more compelling, as those without state infrastructure and state identifications can get access to bank accounts, loans, insurance, or a variety of other financial products. The applications of on Ethereum are run on Ether in its platform-specific cryptographic token. Ether is like a vehicle for moving around on the Ethereum platform and is thought mostly by developers looking to develop and run applications inside Ethereum, or now by investors looking to make purchase of other digital currencies using Ether. Ether, launched in 2015, is currently the second largest digital currency by market capitalization, after Bitcoin. Although it lags behind the dominant cryptocurrency by a significant margin, trading at around $4,400 per ETH as of November 2021, Ether's market cap is less than half that of Bitcoin's. In 2014, Ethereum launched a pre-sale for Ether which received an overwhelming response. This helped to usher in the age of the initial coin offering ICO. According to Ethereum, it can be used to codify, decentralized, secure, and trade just about anything. Following the attack on the decentralized autonomous organization DAO in 2016, Ethereum was split into Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. In 2021, Ethereum transitioned its consensus algorithm for proof of work to proof of stake. This move is intended to allow Ethereum's network to run itself with far less energy and improve transaction speed, as well as to make for a more deflationary economic environment. Proof of stake allows network participants to stake their Ether to the network. This process helps to secure the network and process and the transactions that occur. Those who do this are rewarded either similar to an internet account. This is an alternative to Bitcoin's proof of work mechanism, where miners are rewarded more Bitcoins for processing transactions. So our second altcoin is Cardano. Cardano is an Ouroboros proof of stake cryptocurrency that was created with a research-based approach by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptographic experts. The project was co-founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the five initial founding members of Ethereum. After having some disagreements with the direction Ethereum was taking, he left and later helped to create Cardano. The team behind Cardano created its blockchain through extensive experimentation and peer-reviewed research. The researchers behind the project have written over 19 papers on blockchain technology across a range of topics. This research is the backbone of Cardano. Due to this rigorous process, Cardano seems to stand out among its proof of stake peers as well as the other large cryptocurrencies. Cardano has also been dubbed an Ethereum killer, as its blockchain is said to be capable of more. That said, Cardano is still in its early stages. While it has beaten Ethereum to the proof of stake consensus model, it still has a long way to go in terms of decentralized financial applications. Okay, so you understand what we're talking about. I, I think you need a few seconds to everything stacked in your head. So now let's go. Cardano aims to be the world financial operating system by establishing decentralized financial products similar to Ethereum, as well as providing solutions for chain interoperability, water fraud, and legal contract tracing, among other things. As of November 2021, Cardano has the sixth largest market capitalization out of 67 billion and 188 trades for around $2.01. Polkadot is a unique proof of stake cryptocurrency that is aimed at delivering interoperability among other blockchains. Its protocol is designed to connect permissioned and permissionless blockchains, as well as oracles, to allow systems to work together and under one roof. Polkadot's core component is its relay chain that allows the interoperability of varying networks. It also allows for parachains or parallel blockchains with their own native tokens for specific use cases. Where Polkadot differs from Ethereum is that rather than creating just decentralized application on Polkadot, developers can create their own blockchain while also using the security that Polkadot's chain already has. With Ethereum, developers can create new blockchains but need to create their own security measures, which can leave new and smaller projects open to attack. As the larger a blockchain, the more security it has. This concept in Polkadot is known as shared security. Polkadot was created by Gavin Wood, another member of the co-founders of the Ethereum project who had differing opinions on the project's future. As of November 2021, Polkadot has a market capitalization of roughly 51 billion and one dot trades for 51 and 93 cents. Okay, guys, it's all for today. We have spoken about altcoins, its importance in our world, and other things. So, see you in my next videos. Bye.